Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to install Memos, which is an open source notes web application, and we're going to try installing it on a server I have here. So let's get started with this. Here's their website, open source, self-hosted, your notes your way. I like the idea of that. This app focuses on privacy, being quick, and it's also open source. So we can view all the code, make changes if we want, and submit a pull request. Let's actually take a quick look at the live demo first. Okay, so this is cool. We get like a demo where people can post things. Okay, that's neat. We got our calendar so we can see notes that were created on specific days. And if I recall, this also has a database and you can add multiple users. So yeah, let's get started with this. So I have the GitHub repository open right here, and I think it has instructions for installing. Okay, yeah, deploy with Docker in seconds. So they give the command to run this as a Docker container. Now I'm pretty sure I already have Docker installed, but I'll include a link down below for installing it if you don't have it yet. I will be running Debian here. Okay, so you just have to run these commands here to install Docker. The only reason I wanted to show this is because there's a bunch of commands you got to run. So I'm going to copy the command and then I'm going to go over to my server. Okay, so now that we're in here, I can paste this. And it's going to pull down the Docker container from the web. So this download just takes a moment. And now all we should have to do, actually it might already be deployed. Okay, so it's running on port 5230. I don't know if this is the default or not, but you can run docker ps, this command right here. Let me make this a little bigger. You can run this command right here, and that will show you all of the Docker images that are running on your system. So now I'm going to open a new tab here and go to notes 5230. Now this is probably just going to be your IP address that you put here, and you can get that from your server by running IP space A. So here we need to create our first account. We'll just call it Ternera. So now that we've signed up, cool. We have access to the interface here, and I believe we're like the administrator, I guess, and we can create new accounts. So adding a member, we have access to all of the settings here. And this is pretty cool if we want to allow other people to access this. There are quite a few controls in here for what we can do. So that's basically how you get this up and running. It's a very simple process, and it is a great solution if you want to self-host your notes. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.